Thank you for the introduction. Hello, everybody. So I was already introduced, so Frédéric Soulier, coming from MGI Digital Technology and in charge of the advanced electronics in the MGI group. So I will explain. So the topic for today is about how to use additive processes, meaning digital additive processes in our case, for electronics manufacturing. So for that, just short story. MGI is born in 1982 and is specialist in, it's an equipment manufacturer, but specialist in industry, graphic industry. So graphic industry meaning making equipment, industrial grade equipments to produce 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, some labels and packaging, especially in decoration. So it's using technology like xerography and then inkjet for decorations, meaning CMYK, so cyan, magenta, yellow, black, plus extra colors. And step by step coming to what we call embellishment in graphic arts industry, which is about spot UV varnish and hot foiling, so to add value to the print process and the products. So based on that, MGI is now a public company, and they decided to acquire, at first 12 years ago, a company whose name is Ceradrop. So Ceradrop has been fully incorporated in MGI 12 years ago. And Ceradrop DNA was all about printed electronics. So it's a quite well-known brand in the world of printed electronics and selling some equipment in the world of lab, but more and more in industrial for industrial players also. So we will see this equipment in details, right? So it's about sensor, RFID, IoT, OPV, and so on businesses. And last year, MGI decided to acquire a new company. The name is Altix Automatech. Maybe you know him, you know them. So they are specialists in PCB, FPC, is an equipment manufacturer, for PCB, FPC markets, and they are very well introduced in the landscape of PCB, FPC makers. So basically, what they did by the past is more contact printing, UV lithography, with high resolution, with using DLP, addressing some line and space about 15 micron. And now teaming up with the technology of Ceradrop and teaming up with the know-how about industrial grade machine that MGI did for a long time now, we decided to introduce new kind of equipment to the market for electronics. Meaning that next month in Productronica, we will introduce 5 new equipments, very new, with all technology you can have for a PCB or FPC manufacturer. So we will switch the portfolio, the product portfolio of Altix from a regular subtractive development, lithography, and so on, process to a full digital additive using inkjet technology with the know-how of the company. So what drives us to the stage? So we are very keen to follow the market trends who are more led by the print on demand. So print on demand is very well known in the graphic arts also, so packaging, labels, and so on, meaning that the manufacturing chain is changing for years after years, and the market is changing, so demanding more and more capabilities to switch from one printing job to another printing job very quickly and to address smaller and smaller jobs, but more and more orders. So this print-on-demand trends is led by industrial transformation, so involves industrial transformation. So the main trends that we can see on the market are on-demand printing, personalization, high mix, small runs,